Welcome back. You are gonna remember some of my videos which is about the QML and the OpenCV related. So basically we were just trying the images, the videos from the C++ side via on the OpenCV library, and we were reading via on the QML side, and we were visualizing easily. So in this video I want to make something different. For example, already QML has a multimedia module, so inside that one there is camera, image capture kind of things, so you can easily use your local cameras. For example, in my laptop currently I have a camera, and by the help of this camera parameter I can easily use this capture session and I can visualize the camera. But the point I want to show you is not only that one. Also I want to send this camera for processing to the backend side. Also we are gonna do that. That's the critical part, because people are easily reaching to the camera, but normally in my other videos with OpenCV QML related, in there we were reading the camera via on the video capture, but we are gonna use for this video camera parameter of the QML by itself. So we are gonna easily get the screens, easily get the captures, so we are gonna send them into the C++ side. This is important. So basically we can just create a new project. In there we need to create a Qt quick application, and we can call camera and camera app, maybe we can say, and next, and next. Just choose this one and finish. Okay. First of all, in here we need to add the multimedia linking, because this is needed also. And in here after adding that one, we can import the Qt multimedia 6 I'm using, so it's gonna be enough for this one. Also camera we can write to the title, and after that basically we just calling our capture session, which is we are gonna inside add the camera by just this one, adding the camera via on this one, and we can put an ID, just camera, and inside this one nothing is gonna happen, so this can be empty. And other one is image capture. By this one we are gonna get the captures by clicking a button, and we are gonna send these images into the backend, into the C++ side. Okay, image capture, but of course this is wrong. We need to call image capture, this one. Okay, and also I'm gonna put a name, image capture, and after that inside this one also, for now I don't need to do anything. Then I'm gonna have a video output for visualization of this camera, and this video output is gonna by also we can call the name video output. This is just for visualization the camera. This is for the camera device, and but for video output we need to give video output. Okay, after that also we need to anchor, so we didn't give any dimension, so we can just fill and parent. Did I miss anything? This is my device, and this is my visualization screen. So let's run the code. Okay, so now you see me, hi, and it's working fine. My camera is working. So now I want to put a button into the here, and after clicking to the button I'm gonna send the instant capture into the backend, into the C++ side, and in there I want to visualize with the OpenCV image show. So we are gonna see we are gonna be able to send any instant screen, any instant capture into the backend. By this you don't need to deal with the OpenCV VideoCapture or any other external library, so you can easily use QML camera tool. Okay, this is the first thing we need to talk. And after that what I'm gonna do, actually there is an image capture class, and this image capture already inside there is a signal which is image captured. I want to use this signal inside the image capture, and this signal is gonna help me to get the image which is preview in here. So this is gonna be Q image. It can be easily emitted in the backend side. Okay, I need a new class. Just add new, and this one, and we can call this image processor. We can call this class name, and just next, finished. Okay, this is my image processor new class, and I don't like these small letters. Let's make them capital and just copy paste to everywhere. Okay, this is my class, and here I want to have a also I want to derive this one via on the Q object, so it's always being suggested. Just adding also Q object, and also I'm gonna need in here Q image also I'm gonna need, and maybe also I can check the Q debug, so I can add Q debug, Q debug for just writing something to the console, and I need to put the macro which is object. Okay, all is done, and I need also a Q invocable to be able to reach via on the QML side. Q invocable and analyze image, and it's gonna get the Q image input. Okay, and it is done, and just refactor this one and get the image in here. Just for testing, we can make a Q debug, and we can write something to here, analyze image. Okay, this is done. In the main CPP side, first of all, also we need to define this what was the name, image processor, sorry, image processor, and here I need to define an object for that one, image processor. Okay, and after that also I need to define engine dot root context. Also I need to define this QML context, so it's gonna recognize easily. Okay, and after this just set context property. All I need to do is just giving the QML how QML is gonna reach to this object, image processor, and with ampersand image processor. So by using this word, QML now easily reach to do this image process. Seems everything fine in here. We can just try in the QML side. We said on image captured, and okay, just for writing into the here, first of all, that log, and I want to be sure just it's entering here or not properly. Also I'm gonna need a button. Okay, it's not recognizing because import qt quick.controls.2.15 is gonna be enough. Now it's gonna recognize, I think. Okay, ID is not needed. Text, maybe just text. Okay, text is just send or just analyze simply, and after that on clicked, all I need to do is just calling this image capture and dot capture. Okay, this is gonna trigger the image capture. It will capture the image, and after it's captured, it's gonna push this signal and it's gonna enter here. This is the plan. Let's run the code, how it's working. Okay, let's click. Okay, it's entering into this signal, so it's everything working fine now. But in here now I want to reach into this image, what was the name, image processor class, and in there I want it to reach, I hope I will write correct, analyze image, and this one I want to put preview. Okay, so now it's gonna send this Q image into the image processor class. At least I believe so. Okay, this analyze image is written inside this one, so it seems working. But in here I need to make a warning. This QML is giving an error because it's expecting me to use something like function on image captured and ID. Since this is taking two, is popping up this request ID and the preview parameters is giving up, so it's expecting me giving, because this preview is not defined before this one. It's normal also giving this error, but if I try to give this one, which is it's expecting me to do this one. If I run the code, it's saying duplicate method name. Now it's giving me something different error. So in any way I need to back to the older usage again. So I just assume preview is already defined in here, so I know the name luckily, and also I know the request ID. I can use inside this scope. Even it's giving me this let's try again, this warning, nothing to do, so I need to use this way. Anyway, so it's sending this preview Q image into the image processor class. Here okay, we can now call this OpenCV functions, and we can run the code with the OpenCV also. For that one, I need to link again, so basically just package config. Before package config also I need to define config plus equal to link package config, and also I need to just put OpenCV for how I'm linking. They can watch my OpenCV videos also, how to link OpenCV into the Qt. I'm just linking in this way for the pro usage. And the next is I need to define some OpenCV libraries. The basic one, OpenCV.hpp, is gonna be enough. Let's see it's recognizing or not, and I think it's successfully recognized. So the next is I need to convert this Q image into the OpenCV math, and after that I want to visualize in here. I can remove this one anymore, just create a new math, and this math is gonna be, let's say the name is, cannot be image again, OpenCV image maybe, and CV math, and the first one maybe the image dot height, if I'm not wrong, because rows representing the height, and image dot columns, oh sorry, not columns, width is representing the column, so it's in some way opposite. The type is gonna be the unsigned char. I think it's gonna give me the type for channel, I believe, because alpha channel is gonna be included inside this Q image. And the next is just the data, which is just bits, and this is gonna be converted my Q image into the OpenCV image. So it seems everything fine now. Also I'm not sure, I think it's giving 4 channel, but we can try CV im show and image, and after that just OpenCV image and wait key. This is not a useful way. I just want to show you I'm already able to send the images which is captured by the tool of QML, and I'm getting those images every click into the button, and I'm able to convert them into the OpenCV type, and I'm already get the images. So you can do anything in here for analyzing. I'm just giving an example. Okay, let's run the code. Let's analyze. Okay, it crashed. Okay, it's expecting Q application. Just remove this one and run again. Not recognized, of course, because it's a widgets. And run again. Okay, hopefully working now. Yeah, it's working, but this is a crashed image because I think This is still giving to the preview, right? Okay, it's not a problem. Anyway, it's giving in that way because, as I said, this is 4-channel image. Let's see again. Let's run again. Let's put my hand. So this is taking my instant image, but again this is wrong because this is reading the images, of course giving by the RGB kind, which is the standard, but OpenCV reading BGR kind. So in some way we need to call CVT color OpenCV image into the OpenCV image again, and this is gonna be converted by just color BGR and A. Where is that? Okay, BGR A to RGBA or opposite. I'm a little confused, but let's see. Okay, now it's working fine. Let's run again. Yeah, I think now it's same. So by this video we already understood this also little. Let's make it like this. Okay, so we already get our images into the OpenCV side. You can do anything with this image. For this is your input, and you don't need to use think about the video capturing is something heavy. But if you use this in QML camera tool just for streaming, this is the safest way if you are using QML, because this is already embedded in the backend side. So this is very safe to use. You don't need to worry about the pipelines and other kind of things. You already get your camera very safely, and you can send the images easily also to your backend. This is for just image analyzing, by the way, and you can easily get your things what you need. So I just wanted to show you for this video how to do this, and thanks for watching, and see you in the next videos.